Let us see about the safety of reverse osmosis or RO water in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, health related explanations are provided via videos which are released every week. If you want to see such videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. Also press the bell icon adjacent to it to get instant notifications whenever new content is released. This week's video is about RO water or reverse osmosis water. Is it safe to drink? First of all, any water basically is H2O. The chemical formula is H2O. Even though the basic chemical formula for water is H2O, in reality it contains so much more. No, it acquires minerals from the soil and the atmosphere it comes into contact with. It also has organic matter. Sometimes even has microorganisms. Many of them may be pathogenic. That's why the need to purify water, this need arises. So man has devised many methods of purification of water from time immemorial. So we have tried boiling, we have tried using only running water or rainwater. So we have tried many things from streams, from clear streams. We have seen the visual clarity of water. But ultimately, in today's day and age, what many of us are forced to use is either municipal water or RO water. Municipal water in developed countries, even in developing countries, is supposed to be potable water, suited for drinking. It has undergone methods of purification. So when it comes into the consumer's contact, it should be potable for drinking, ready for drinking. But in some of the developing countries, in poor countries, this may not be true 100% of the time. So ultimately, to safeguard ourselves from diseases which are spread from waterborne organisms, we have to have our own method of purification. One of the recent methods is RO purification. Initially it was used for industrial purposes, but this has now percolated to even home use. What does this do? Across a semi-permeable membrane, under pressure, water is sent across so that it is filtered out of both biological impurities as well as minerals. These minerals make up the total dissolved solid content in water or TDS. So the water which comes out of RO, reverse osmosis process, is practically demineralized water. Is there any problem in drinking this demineralized water? We have to understand the water naturally contains sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium and even many other minerals. Remember that the source of these minerals is not the drinking water alone. So the vegetables you eat, the grains you eat, they also are grown from soil. Somehow they also have these minerals. But ultimately water is a predominant composition of our diet. So if your drinking water doesn't contain these minerals, they may have long-term health effects. What does the evidence say? Early evidences point to, if you drink demineralized water for a very long time, definite cardiovascular, neurological, risk to kidneys, risk to gastrointestinal tract. So there are many health risks around. Now these studies are early pointers. You need more extensive studies to prove this fact, but early pointers definitely show that demineralized water, especially if taken on a long-term basis, is not good for long-term health. So what to do then? Do we compromise on the safety of water or the long-term health? We have to understand that not all water purifiers use only reverse osmosis as a method of purification. Even in the reverse osmosis purifiers today, to avoid this, there are many techniques around. So what is happening is, some of the mineral which is filtered is again in a controlled way mixed with the demineralized water to control the TDS. So demineralized water may have a TDS of less than 50 equal to 0 also, but your reverse osmosis machine or the water purifier system may give you a water which has a TDS content of 50 to 100, 50 to 150, which might be good. This is tuned by the water purifier itself. Or you may have water purifier system which contains reverse osmosis plus some other method like an UV filtration. So what happens is, some amount of water is purified through reverse osmosis, some amount is purified through UV. These are then mixed together so that the mineral content remains what is standard or what is recommended. Again, you may have entirely different method of water purifier like a UV water purifier or a UF ultra filtration purifier. The need for which system to be chosen for our water purposes will depend upon the quality of water which we get. The municipal or the whatever source you have, that source needs to be tested before you can decide on which method of water purifier to be used. So in a nutshell, we will say reverse osmosis method itself is not bad, but it generally produces demineralized waters. But the modern water purifiers, most of them have some inbuilt mechanism to have this disadvantage negated via mixing with minerals or mixing with UV water. So just check with your water purifier system whether this TDS content is very low or the output what you drink is a demineralized water. So what can be done is test your water for what are the things to be done to make this potable before installing or deciding on a water purifier system. Then even after installing, again test the water content which comes out through that for TDS and other standard characteristics which can be easily done to make it healthy as well as safe. Hopefully this video would have cleared your doubts regarding RO water and drinking of RO water for long term. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.